Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In this video, I'll be continuing with the second theme of class 11th history, that is writing and the city life. As you know, we are covering the Mesopotamian civilization, and in this video, I'll be focusing on the development of writing. Writing was an important feature of Mesopotamian civilization. So let's start the topic. When we talk about writing, we mean that spoken sounds are represented in visible signs. The first Mesopotamian tablet, written around 3200 BCE in a pictographic form. These were about 5,000 lists of oxen, fish, bread, etc. That is, lists of goods that were bought into or distributed from the temples of Uruk. Uruk was one of the important cities of Mesopotamia. Writing was required to maintain records of transaction. Now, how the writing was done? They wrote on clay tablets. A scribe would wet clay and pat it into a size he could hold comfortably in one hand. Then they smoothen its surfaces. With sharp end of a reed cut obliquely, he would press wedge-shaped signs on it. Once dried in sun, the clay would harden and tablets would be almost as indestructible as pottery. Hundreds of such tablets are found from different sites of Mesopotamia. By 2600 BCE, letters became cuneiform and language was Sumerian. They were using Sumerian language. Writing was used for maintaining records, making dictionaries, giving legal validity to land transfers, narrating deeds of the kings, etc. Cuneiform writing in Akkadian language continued in use till the 1st century CE, that is, for more than 2000 years. Now, talking about the system of writing. The sounds that a cuneiform sign represented was not a single consonant or vowel, but syllable. Thus, the sign that a Mesopotamian scribe had to learn. Hundreds of such signs, it was a laborious task. A person who is writing a Mesopotamian script need to learn hundreds of signs, and it was a very difficult task. Now, literacy was very few. Mesopotamian could read or write. It was a complex system of learning and writing hundreds of signs. So, very few people in Mesopotamia they know the art of writing and reading. Now, talking about the uses of writing, the connection between the city life, trade, and writing is brought out in a long Sumerian epic poem. There is a mention of a beautiful poem. Its translation is given in the book. It was a poem about Enmeker, ruler of Uruk. He is associated with the organization of first trade of Sumer. According to the poem, he sent his messenger to a distant land called Arata to meet the ruler and give a message demanding the lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli is a blue color precious stone and other precious stones he required for beautification of his city temple. The messenger traveled for several days, crossing many mountains. By the time he reached the Rata, he forgot the words of his rulers. This happened several times. So Enmaker formed a clay tablet and wrote the words down and given to messenger and finally reached the ruler of Arata. The spoken words were nailed. This should not be taken as a literal truth, but it can be inferred that in Mesopotamian understanding it was kingship that organized trade and writing. Writing was seen as a sign of a superiority of Mesopotamian urban culture. Writing was used for various purposes, as I explained you. No doubt it was used for trade. Here are certain trade routes that the Mesopotamian people have used, or trading routes from where the different regions people visited the Mesopotamia. Uh, Writing became one of the important feature for carrying these trade. and for the smooth running of trade and commerce in Mesopotamian civilization. So here we end with the development of writing, about its uses, the system of writing that was organized by the kings. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and review, and if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.